If you have Oppo Reno 14 Pro smartphone and you want to hide your apps, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and then select hide apps. Click on get started. Now firstly you have to set a privacy password. Click on settings. You can set a 6-digit password or you can select pattern, alphanumeric, etc. I'm selecting pattern. Draw a pattern and then confirm your pattern. Select question, answer a security question and then click on done. Click on get started. Then select access via dial pad. Click on settings. Now you have to set an access code to access your hidden application. But keep in mind you have to start your access code with hash and also end it with hash. For example, I'm selecting hash 1234 hash. After this, click on done. Again click on done and then select add apps. Now you have to set the apps you want to hide. For example, I want to hide my files by Google. In my app drawer, you can't see the files. Now to access the hidden application, open your dial pad and then type your access code. So that's how you can hide and access your hidden application in Oppo Reno 14 Pro smartphone.